Hi, I'm Mike Halsey. I'm a Microsoft MVP awardee and the author of many books and courses on Windows troubleshooting. And I'm excited to bring you this short course on how to troubleshoot installation, updating and recovery in Microsoft Windows. A PC is not a PC without a working operating system on board, and productivity doesn't exist unless this happens smoothly, efficiently and with a result that's stable, resilient and reliable. In this course, which covers Windows 7, Windows 8.1 and Windows 10, we examine Windows installation, updating and recovery from beginning to end, including different ways to install Windows with their pros and cons, how to back up the operating system and restore it in the event of a disaster, how to control and troubleshoot Windows Update, and how to troubleshoot and repair problems with the Windows boot partitions. Some of the major topics that we'll cover include how to manage installation, updating and identification of device drivers, how to hide and defer Windows updates and feature packs, how and when to use safe mode and diagnostic mode to solve problems. By the end of this course, you'll be able to diagnose, troubleshoot and repair any type of Windows installation, updating and recovery problem. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn how to troubleshoot installation, updating and recovery on Microsoft Windows with Pluralsight.